Hey everybody, Marcus Stone here. In this video, you will learn how you can easily add Pinterest feed for your site in Duda. So let's start. First, what you want to do is just scroll down below in the description and click on the link below. When you're gonna click on it, you will get on this site called Placeit. Placeit is an amazing company and they are making a lot of widgets, and one of those widgets is on Duda. So let's just click on sign up for free and just sign up with Google or anything, and then just click login. Here you will see applications and you want to write Pinterest. And you're going to see it here, Pinterest feed. Let's create a widget. And now you have option, go with the Pinterest profile, boards gallery, pins gallery, sidebar widget, wide widget. You can really choose which one you want. Let's go with the Tommy Hilfiger here, Pinterest feed. Profile, I will leave it like that. Then you get like layout and style. You can change the colors and everything. I'm going to leave it like this. Then just click save. And before that, you need to choose a plan. You can start with a light one that's like 200 views per month. But if you're gonna have like more views, go with the basic or pro version. You can choose one of these. And then we have a code here. So now let's just add a widget. Let's just add HTML here. And let's update. Nice. And here you got perfect Instagram feed for your site in Duda. And that's about it. So thank you very much everybody for watching. Have a great day and see ya. Goodbye.